AI is everywhere right now. It writes posts, makes videos, and even helps people run businesses online. But here's the big question. Can a $27 program called the AI Marketers Club really help you to make money with faceless videos? That's what we're going to find out today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Money Moves. In this video, I'm giving you my honest AI Marketers Club review. I'll show you what's inside, who it's for, the good, the bad, and whether it's worth your money. And stick with me until the end, because I will share things about this program that most reviews don't mention. The AI Marketers Club is the step-by-step system made by John Crestani, a well-known online marketer. It's designed to help beginners make money online by creating short, faceless videos. That means you don't have to show your face, record your voice, or spend hours editing. The idea is simple. Let AI tools do the heavy lifting while you focus on posting content that can go viral. The whole system is built around something called the FIR method. It stands for Fast Impact Revenue. The goal is to create short videos that grab attention fast and send viewers to affiliate offers that can pay you commissions. Inside the club, you get AI tools to write hooks, scripts, and even suggest what kind of videos to make. You also get pre-built funnels, done-for-you templates, and campaign ideas, so you don't waste time wondering what to create next. What makes this program different from many others is its speed. Instead of spending months learning complicated strategies, you can start making content right away using proven frameworks that work on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So if you're new, shy about being on camera, or just want a faster way to try affiliate marketing, the AI Marketers Club is made to give you a simple path forward. One of the main parts of the AI Marketers Club is the training. It's the short course, about 3 hours long, taught by John Crestani himself. The training is broken into small, easy steps so you don't feel lost. You'll learn how to use AI tools to come up with ideas for short videos, how to write simple scripts that get people to stop scrolling, how to post videos consistently without spending all day working, and most importantly, how to connect those videos to affiliate products so you can earn commissions. What is nice is that John doesn't just tell you what to do, he explains why it matters. That way, even if you've never done marketing before, you can understand the bigger picture. The focus is always on speed and action. The goal is to get from zero to posting your first money-making content as quick as possible. And if you like watching someone show you exactly how it's done, step by step, this training will feel very easy to follow. When you join the AI Marketers Club, you don't just get the main training, you also get a bunch of bonuses that make it easier to start fast. Here are the main ones. Affiliate network access. You can promote a ready-to-go offer that pays a 75% commissions. No need to spend hours hunting for products. Quick Start Guide. A simple step-by-step plan to post your first video on YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok right away. 7-minute action checklist. A daily checklist that shows you how to go from idea to publish post in under 7 minutes. Perfect if you struggle with consistency. AI Marketers Tracker. A tool to track your posts, links, and commission so you know what's working. Private community access. Join other people using the system. You can share wins, ask questions, and stay motivated. Mimetic AI tool, a special AI tool that gives you viral content ideas, hooks, and ad copy based on proven formats. Free website builder comes with a free domain, SSL, and landing page templates so you can be online in minutes. These extras save you time and remove the guesswork. Instead of trying to figure out everything on your own, you get the tools and shortcuts to launch faster and stay on track. On top of the regular bonuses, the AI Marketers Club sometimes gives out special extras if you join soon. Right now, there are 2 big ones. Traffic Avalanche System. This shows you how to get floods of free traffic from YouTube and TikTok. It's designed to work hand in hand with the FIR method, so you can grow faster without spending money on ads. AI Viral Content Generator. This tool helps you create scroll-stopping headlines and video ideas in seconds. Think of it like having a brainstorming partner that never runs out of ideas. These bonuses aren't always included, so if you see them available, It's a nice way to get even more value for the $27. Now, let's talk about price. The AI Marketers Club costs just $27 one time. That's less than what most people spend on takeout dinner. And unlike dinner, this could actually pay you back if you take action. Even better, it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you try it and decide it's not for you, you can get a full refund, no risk. When you compare it to other online courses that charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars, the value is very clear. For $27, you get training, tools, and ready-made sources that can help you start fast. It's basically a low-cost way to test if affiliate marketing with AI is something you want to commit to. Alright, let's quickly break down the pros and cons so you can see both sides. Pros: very low price at just $27. Beginner friendly, no tech skills needed. Step-by-step training you can follow in a weekend. AI tools and templates that save time. Private community for support and motivation. 60-day refund guarantee, so there's no big risk. Cons: it's not a magic button. You'll still need to create content and stay consistent. The training is short. It gives you the basic, but you'll need to keep learning if you want to scale big. Results will depend on how much effort you put in. So overall, the program is simple and affordable, but it still requires action. It won't work if you just buy it and do nothing. Is the AI Marketers Club worth it? Here's my honest take. If you're brand new to online marketing and you want a simple, low-cost way to test the waters, then yes, this is one of the easiest ways to start. For $27, you get training, tools, and a system that shows you how to make faceless videos and connect them to affiliate offers. But if you're expecting instant money without doing the work, then no program will ever deliver that. You'll still need to show up, follow the steps, and be consistent. Overall, I'd say that AI Marketers Club is a smart choice for beginners who want to dip their toes into affiliate marketing without spending a fortune. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've left the link in the description below. If you want to see how this compares to other affiliate programs I've reviewed, check out the video popping up on the screen right now. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Digital Money Moves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.